Hey guys, welcome to Workout Wednesday Halloween edition. Make sure that you respond back to the email today. Take a guess at what my costume is. First person to do that's going to get some anytime swag on us. In our workouts today, we're going to focus on 2 circuits of 3 exercises, working that lower body, upper body, core all in one circuit. So make sure you pay attention to our rest time. You're going to need a little bit extra of it today. So first group, we're going to be focused on some Renegade Rows. So we're going to be in a great push-up position. We're going to roll that weight up and back towards the midline. Nice stable shoulders. We're doing 5 reps per hand. From there, we're just going to stand up overhead here, weight at shoulder height. Press up overhead. We're going to alternate, come all the way back down. Press that next hand, making sure when we press, arm in line with our ear, not out in front. Also for 5 reps. And then we're going to do a anti-rotation hold with 1 lateral step. So we're going to get some tension on the band. 1 step out, 1 step back in. Little dynamic core with that changing resistance. That we're going to do 10 steps and then face the other way. And that'll complete circuit number 1. All right guys, group number 2, more lower body focus. We're going to start off with the deadlift, move to a single leg squat to a box, and then finish with a dead bug. So when we set up with that barbell, we want to have that, when I look down, that barbell should intersect the midfoot. Hands nice and close to the thighs. Drive those hips back as far as you can. Little knee bend, nice and tight as we grab our barbell. Stand nice and tall. Control those hips back. Slight knee bend at the bottom. We're going to go 5 reps there. Then we're going to transition to our single leg squat to the box. So we're going to start nice and close to the box. Pick up whatever foot you want to start with. Slow, slow, slow control. Make sure that knee is not wobbling inward. And stand. If you notice you're a little unstable, keep that foot on the floor. Real minimal help there. And then we're going to finish with a dead bug, where we engage our hip flexors and abs a little bit more. So we're going to put that mini band across the middle of the foot into our nice dead bug position. Knees over hips, toes up to ceiling, head flat. We're going to extend opposite arm and foot. Don't let that band pull that knee forward. And then alternate for 10 reps. And that'll finish up our workout. Happy Halloween.